Hey, so if your verification email is not sending from Mailchimp, yeah, like you're not getting the confirmation email or you can't verify your account, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your spam or junk folder. I mean, verification emails often end up there. Next, yeah, make sure you entered the correct email address. I mean, one small typo can block the verification email completely. Now, click the resend verification email option. I mean, sometimes the first request doesn't go through properly. Yeah, sometimes emails are delayed. I mean, wait a few minutes before trying again. Now, VPNs or proxies can block email delivery. I mean, turn them off temporarily and try again. Yeah, switch to another browser or device. I mean, sometimes verification works better elsewhere. Now, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, weak connections can stop email requests from going through. Yeah, log out and restart the sign up process. I mean, this refreshes the verification request. If nothing works, contact Mailchimp support. I mean, your account may need manual verification from their side. So yeah, that's how you fix Mailchimp verification email not sending. Most of the time, it's spam filtering, network issues, or incorrect email setup. Try these steps and your verification email should arrive. Thanks for watching.